Most espresso machines, they force a compromise on you. They either are very simple but inconsistent, or they're very powerful but yet very difficult to manage. Welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Santi with the Techitopia team, and today I'm very excited because I got with me the brand new Meraki Espresso machine. And Meraki is designed so it can remove that compromise by applying commercial espresso principles to a single all-in-one home machine, focusing on consistency, stability, and repeatable results. The Meraki Espresso machine is a professional-grade home espresso system that integrates precision during grinding, controlled extraction, and intelligent milk frothing into one platform. And instead of relying on separate tools and manual workflows, Meraki combines a co-engineered espresso grinder, a commercial-level pressure delivery, and independent brewing and steaming systems, and all designed to produce cafe-quality results with far less variability. And to understand why Meraki is different, it helps to look in how most espresso machines are built, and many prioritize cost and compactness over system stability, which directly affects the flavor consistency. And Meraki takes a different approach by borrowing the core design philosophies from commercial espresso machines by adapting them for home use. Meraki features the Time More and Meraki co-engineered espresso calibrated grinder designed specifically for espresso extraction, and instead of treating grinding as a separate step, Meraki integrates grinding, dosing, and extraction into one calibrated system, reducing variability and improving shot-to-shot consistency. And this integration is critical because espresso quality is often lost before extraction even begins. Next, we got the commercial-grade rotary pump, and most espresso machines use vibration pumps, and they're affordable, but they tend to deliver unsustainable pressure during extraction, and that instability means that every shot can behave differently even with the same beans and settings, and results often feel unpredictable, like pulling a blind box espresso. And Meraki uses a commercial-grade rotary pump instead, and rotary pumps deliver stable, consistent pressure throughout the entire extraction, which leads to more repeatable flavor, better control over extraction, and greater reliability shot after shot. And this is a key reason why cafe machines produce consistent results, and Meraki brings that same principle into the home. And up next, we got the dual boiler plus the dual PID temperature control. And most home machines rely on a single boiler or heat exchange system, and that design forces compromises, which is temperature fluctuations when switching between brewing and steaming, and also waiting time between the steps, manual recalibration, or experience-based adjustments. And Meraki uses the dual boiler system, which means that brewing and steaming have independent heated systems, and both can operate simultaneously without interference. All right, guys, right in front of me, I have the very beautiful Meraki Espresso machine, and I've had it here for a few days, and I've just been testing around the different type of coffees that you can make. I'm learning. It has a dual boiler, so you can focus on making the espresso right in the middle, and then you can steam the milk on the other side. You're not gonna have an issue doing two things at once. What I've learned about the coffee and the quality, how you make it, it all depends on the grind settings. Depending on the type of coffee that you have, you can grind it finer or you can do it more coarse, so you can be slower or faster brewing, but overall you gotta be between 25 to 30 seconds. Right in the middle, we have a scale, so we can measure the output of the coffee that is being brewed. Over here we have the grinder, and it's very precise. It comes with this awesome container. Best part is that this surface on this side is magnetic, so you can just simply put it and it's gonna stay right in the middle. Make sure that you don't put it tilted or anything because it's going to affect the weight. This is a scale. Then on the right side, we're gonna have the milk section. The great thing is that you can move this however you want, wherever you are. You're in the back, you can do that. If you're in the front, you can do that as well. You also have the manual or the automatic use. If you want to steam the milk on your own, you can use this side nozzle, so you can steam it, and then it tells you the temperature that you're doing, or you can just simply click steam and it will do it automatically at a set temperature. Also, if you want to brew matcha or any other type of drink, you can just pour hot water through this nozzle on this side, and you go over here, you put this water. Right now it's at 209 Fahrenheit right there. So if you want to brew your coffee manually, you just want to control it yourself, you can just simply twist this and the hot water will come out, okay? And then the brewing will be counted how many seconds and also how many grams you are doing of coffee. Now I'm going to show you how the dual boiler works. So clearly I'm not the best at it, but I will continue to practice because this is a craft that takes some time and patience, and overall you just gotta practice so you can just make it better. So the workflow overall is very clean and intuitive. The beans are ground precisely, extraction is stable, producing a visible crema. The milk steaming delivers fine, silky microfoam, suitable for latte art that I will continue to practice. And the entire bean to cup process, I think, is very complete in under 5 minutes, making it a very practical daily use without sacrificing quality. So I think Meraki stands out by treating espresso as a system and not a collection of features, and by combining a co-engineered grinder, a rotary pump stability, a dual boiler precision, and it brings a commercial level consistency into a home-friendly form factor. And the result is espresso that's more predictable, repeatable, and reliable cup after cup. So if you're ready to upgrade your home coffee experience with something that is professional level performance and long-term consistency, I think the Meraki Espresso machine delivers a thoughtful and well-engineered solution for your everyday coffee. So that's it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. As always, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below of the Meraki Espresso machine. I am super excited of learning a brand new craft when it comes to coffee and learning how much there is to it. It's a brand new world that I'm diving into and I'm very excited about it. If you want to grab one of these Meraki Espresso machines for yourself, we have a special discount for you. Go ahead and click the link down in the description below. Until next time.